Councillors in Clarendon want details of the parochial revenue fund allocations, and they also want to know whether the parish will get its usual Christmas cleanup. Details in this report.
In Clarendon, frustration is growing, and so is the bush across the parish. At the latest meeting of the Clarendon Municipal Corporation, councillors painted a grim picture of a parish still reeling from Hurricane Melissa's destruction. A parish where emergency works continue to stretch already thin resources, and where the annual Christmas de-bushing and beautification program hangs in the balance. Councillor for the Annan Town Division, Delroy Dawson, sounded the alarm first, noting that weeks of persistent rainfall have only worsened the already overgrown state of several communities.
We have a lot of rainfall, and the communities are very, very bushy and need notification. So we'd like to know, Mr. Chairman, since the PRF are not on time, what are the plans for them?
The Parochial Revenue Fund, PRF, normally disbursed at the start of each month, has not reached the councillor for nearly 4 months, a delay they say is crippling community upkeep. In response, Mayor of Maypen, Joel Williams, offered a sobering update, revealing that even central government is facing financial shortfalls.
I had a discussion on Tuesday with the minister, and what he said to me, your other mayors were there also, is that what he had received from the Ministry of Finance thus far is not even a drop in the bucket. But I want to assure you that we're going to make sure that everything is done. So whatever shortfall there is, it is available. We understand the magnitude of what we have to look at come Christmas. So that whatever funding is there, outstanding, we must receive it for that Christmas program.
But the councillors weren't satisfied. Councillor Dawson pressed further, stressing that late PRF payments are not only disruptive, they are unlawful.
By law, it said that we must get it every first of the month. And now, Mr. Chairman, we're going 3-4 months. You know, look good, Mr. Chairman.
As I said,
it is the minister's responsibility to get it from the Ministry of Finance.
The corporation's chief executive officer, Rowan Blake, attempted to bring clarity, noting that the municipal team is still entrenched in emergency response, which has slowed routine PRF-funded works. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.